Okay, so students, here in this class we are going to discuss adjoint of a matrix. So suppose A is a 3 cross 3 matrix, then adjoint of a matrix A is defined as transpose of all the 9 cofactors. So first of all, you have to find all the 9 cofactors, and then you will take the transpose of those. That is known as adjoint of a matrix. So here you can write down this question. A is given as 145T26010. Question is find adjoint of A. So let us start with the cofactors. So we will start with finding the cofactors. So first of all, A11. So A11 means you have to find the cofactor corresponding to this element 1. So this is how I had written. Delete 2 and column along it. So we left with 2610. That is what I had written. Now after that you have to simply solve it. So it is coming out to be -6. Now next is A12. Now you know that this is odd. So this is odd. Some of these, this 1 and 2 is odd. So that is why you have to write minus sign. Now we are considering this element. So let us ignore this and this. So resultant will be 3600 that we had written. After that just we had done the calculation. A13. So here some of the suffix this 1 plus 3. This is 4. So that is why it is positive. Now let us write down this. So ignore this 5 and write down the 2 cross 2 determinant. So 3201. Now after that do calculation. So this is how we will get these 3 cofactors. After that you will find A21. So A21 means this particular element. Again it is 2 1. So you have to start with a negative sign. Whenever the sum of the suffix is odd, then you have to start with a negative sign. Moreover, for 3 cross 3, always remember that first is positive, then negative, then positive, then negative, then positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So this is how you can remember it. Alternate plus minus sign, and you begin with plus sign. So A21 means this 3 element. Just ignore this and write down 4510, do calculation. This is what you will get. Then A22. So A22 will be this 2 element you are considering. Delete row and column along it. So you left with 1500. So we had written 1500. It should be. Your answer is coming out to be 0. Then we had written A23 element. So A23 means A23 will be this element. So delete row and column along it. So you can write this as 1401. So 1401. Then do calculation. Similarly, write down A31. So 31 means this particular element. Delete row and column along it. 4526. Do calculation. Then A32. This is A32. So 1536. Do calculations. And last one is A33. So delete these and write down 1432. Do calculations. So take care of that alternate plus minus sign. Now after calculation, you will get the 9 cofactors as -6, 0, 3, 5, 0, -1, 14, +9, -10. Now after writing this much, you know that adjoint of A will be just the transpose of these cofactors, and you should write 3 cofactors in one line because it is helping us for this presentation. Because when you write -603, here I had written -603, and next one 50 minus 1, 50 minus 1, 14 9 minus 10, 14 9 minus 10. There's the transpose of it. So finally here we have taken the transpose. So after writing this transpose, this is known as adjoint of a matrix. Just we have found the transpose of all the 9 cofactors and we are getting adjoint of a matrix. Now suppose if the question is find out inverse also. So find out A inverse also. So in order to find A inverse for this particular question, find A inverse also. Then first of all, you should know that A inverse is written as adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So now we are going to find the determinant of this A, original matrix A. So when you find it, you can see that when you find this det of A, it will be det of A can be written as 1 into so I am solving it along R1. When you solve it, this is what you will get as the answer. Finally, when we solve this, it will be 1 into minus 6 minus 4 into 0 plus 5 into. So your answer is coming out to be 9. So det of A is coming out to be 9. So det of A is not equal to 0. That means A inverse will exist. So here you will write this. Det of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse will exist. And A inverse will be given by, just apply this formula. So 1 upon 9 into this. So it is minus 6, 5, 14, 0, 0, 9, 3, minus 1, minus 10. This is how we can find the inverse of a P cross 3 matrix. So first step is you have to find all the 9 cofactors. After finding 9 cofactors, you can take the transpose. You will get adjoint of the matrix. In order to find A inverse, your formula is A inverse is adjoint of A divided by det of A. So adjoint already we have found. Now det we are finding it is coming out to be 9. So we are putting the values in this formula. So this is what you will get as the final answer. Okay, so now let us focus on finding A inverse for a 2 cross 2 matrix. So suppose this is a 2 cross 2 matrix A, B, C, D, and we want to find the A inverse for this. So in order to find A inverse, we need to find its adjoint first. And for finding adjoint, we need to find cofactors. So let us find out all the 4 cofactors for this. So A11 will be D, then A12 will be C with a negative sign. Why negative? Because 1 plus 2, this is P, so it's an odd number. So that is why you will write minus sign. Okay, now similarly, we will find A21. So A21 is simply B. Now here again, 2 plus 1, this is D, so it is an odd number. Then A22, so it is simply A. So these are the 4 cofactors. Now adjoint of A will be just the transpose of these. So D minus C minus B, A ka transpose. So when you take the transpose, this is what you will get as the answer, D minus C minus B, A. So T stands for transpose. So this is adjoint of this particular matrix. Now, in order to find its inverse, let us find out the determinant of this original matrix. So you know how to find determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Just multiply these two, so it will become AD minus this into this BC. So it is coming out to be AD minus BC. We will say A inverse will be written as adjoint of A divided by det of A. So your final answer will be 1 upon AD minus BC into B minus B minus CA. So this is how we can find inverse for 2 cross 2 matrix. Now let me tell you one direct method of finding this inverse for 2 cross 2 matrix. So this is a shortcut method to find inverse of a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so here what we have to do is like this A is given as A, B, C, D. So adjoint of A. So directly we can find adjoint of A by, we will just interchange the diagonal entries. We will interchange the diagonal entries. So when you interchange the diagonal entries, you will get here as B, this will be A, and just multiply the off diagonal entries with -1. So this is adjoint of A. Mainly this shortcut is for finding adjoint of a matrix. So given a matrix, this is how you can find adjoint of a matrix. Just you will interchange the diagonal entries, and for off diagonal you will just multiply them with -1. So now we want to find A inverse. Then you will simply write A inverse will be adjoint of A divided by det of A. So det already we have found, so it will be AD minus BC into this adjoint. So this is a direct method of finding A inverse for a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now let me give you some examples where directly we can find A inverse. Okay, suppose you want to find the inverse for this matrix. Now let us find the inverse by shortcut method. So first of all, straight away you can write adjoint of A will be given by, adjoint of A will be just interchange the diagonal entries and multiply the off diagonal with the -1. So this is what you will get. Now let us find out the determinant of this also. So that will be simply 2 plus 3, it will become 5. Now A inverse will be adjoint of A divided by det of A. So that will be given by 1 upon 5 into 2, 1 minus 3 1. So this is how we can find A inverse for 2 cross 2 matrix.